Hello, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. Today is not that much relaxed, perhaps a little bit, but the last week, at least two versions of AI came online that could play all computer games. And after last night, I think they have arrived. So let's see. Inhuman reflex times and stuff like that, where you can see it's like milliseconds and perfect aim. Why did I choose this one? That's so ridiculous. Oh my god. It's really the wrong tank for this. For everything. I don't gonna make it. I shall remember that spot. I saw a documentary today where where it was so fortunate or something like that to see an Su-152 actually in the Battle of Berlin, I think. I can feel that I have eaten my portion of beans today.
Attention to the designated grid square. Our victory is near. Attention to the map.
Where did that come from? He's like hiding behind. What is that?
Attention to the map.
My old self burning. Oh my god, it's gonna be boom boom era. Ah, yeah. Okay. Something shitty. Definitely for sure. How the hell? I thought there was a straight line between those 2 points. And the maybe lopping or something like that. I don't know. Strange. Yeah. There is a straight line between those. Oh my god. Yeah, where was I at? Total failure. Yeah. So I need to be pretty lucky actually to see a situation, I think. I sure not want to try it myself actually. Spent so much time on this game that I wouldn't want to risk getting banned. What should we play? Something like that.
Экипаж к бою.
Механик-водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Снаряжающий к бою готов.
Т-34. 12 часов. Дистанция 850 метров.
Повреждения. Цель уничтожена.
12 часов. Дистанция 800 метров. Танк 12 часов. Дистанция 750 метров.
Бронебойным готово.
Т-34. 12 часов. Дистанция 450 метров. Танк 12 часов. Близко.
Okay, maybe not the best spot to be at.
Авиация на подлете. 12 часов. Дистанция 650 метров.
Thank you very much.
12 часов. Дистанция 700 метров. Танк 12 часов.
Oh my god. I didn't realize he shot my gun, man, and it was a biggie. hell did he shoot me from? From here. Through that goddamn embankment. Oh my god, there's so much wrong with this game. Was this one fully optimized or what? Can't remember. So, yeah, this is gonna be the last one, I think. The 1709, or the last one pre-dinner. Or perhaps I'm going to do something tech afterwards, I don't know. But the goal was just to check if we could identify some AI behavior. And yeah, it is difficult, but you know, some people are good. But I think the real The real telltale will be in the statistics of it. And my green buddy, yeah, he's experienced, he drives past. Ready to trap people. He's definitely Katova. Look at that. Don't die, man. Hey. Should be, could be. So we're going to die on this hill as well. It looks like it. Probably get
Бронеавтомобиль! 12 часов! Близко!
The enemy has most of the strategic zones.
Aye. Just about to fire. He's efficient in that little thingy. So yeah, I don't know. Lost the will to play this game for the day, I think. Oh my god. Did it get didn't nah, that Su-85, it's so terribly efficient. What the hell is going on here? Oh. I also used the wrong ammunition, I realized, to shoot at the... Look at that, is mine... oh jeez.
The enemy controls most of the strategic zones.
The faster the death, the better. Sterling. Look at that! Unbelievable! it is. It is hard to me to be me the last couple of days.
Внимание, в базу!
The fail has been strong in me. Look at that.
Самолет! Базиса! Дистанция 1100 метров! Есть! Вперед!
That is
Бронебойные! Артиллерия! Координаты! Уничтожить! 4, принял! Открываю огонь! 11 часов! Дистанция 400 метров! Недалек!
Авиация на воздухе!
Цель уничтожена! Так! 10 часов! Дистанция 350 метров! Горим!
Радиатор пробит!
Артиллерия! Координаты! 4, уничтожен!
4, принял! Открываю огонь!
К заводке приготовиться!
bastard.
Дистанция 400 метров! Нас подбили! Мы на ходу!
We need to put more pressure on the enemy. We're winning.
Вижу повреждения! К заводке приготовиться!
Look at that. Huh?
Цель под...
That is not very fair, is it?
10 часов! Дистанция 500 метров!
Most of the zones are under enemy's control.
Most?
10 часов! Близко!
Oh, come on.
К заводке приготовиться! Есть!
Yes?
Есть! Есть! Вперед!
Come on. Thank you. Come again. That was bloody annoying. That SU-85 player, he was bloody good. Or sucked. Yeah, probably the latter.